Today we are going to learn how to do the Vlookup formula. The Vlookup formula finds the matching value when going from left to right. It can answer questions like how many calls did Jordan make, or how much money did Thomas earn. To find these answers, we have to look at our table, which shows in column B the salesperson, the number of phone calls they made, and the money earned. So using our Vlookup formula, we're going to find how many calls Jordan made. To do that, I press the equal sign and I start typing the Vlookup formula. Excel suggests the actual formula with the criteria for the formula. So the first thing that I'm going to enter is the lookup value. And so for that, we're going to select Jordan because we're interested in his calls, comma, the table array, which is a fancy word for selecting the entire table. So I'm going to select everything from the headers to the total row. Enter my comma. Now it's asking for the column index number. And this is in reference to your table. So because the calls are in column 2, we're going to enter a 2. Even though we're looking in column C, and that's technically the third column in the workbook, we're only concerned with the table. So the calls is the second row in the table, not the worksheet. I'm going to enter my comma, and then it asks for true or false. Always select false. I'm going to enter my close parentheses and hit enter. And we get 20 formatted as a currency, so I'm going to use the general format. And yes, that's true. If we look at our table, Jordan has 20 calls. How much money did Thomas earn? To do that, we're going to enter our Vlookup formula. The lookup value is Thomas. The table array is again the entire table, comma, the column, which in this case is the third column, and false. Enter my close parentheses, and I've got $10,000. And if you look at the table, Thomas earned $10,000, so that's correct. That's pretty much it. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section below, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.